On his moment calendar again, it's Saturday, 6 November 2021. Explain telecommunications say from international contact ordinary 6661 discovery. One confirm about situations progress supernatural this millennium only goes to anti-America. Well, about status suspect actually definitely confusing because the Americana want to dominate these moment situations suspect supernatural. Definitive goes to America. Context say this contacting also include Islam International and also Asia countries for non-part coalition each other at the moment. On this moment millennium, 6661 for discovery being approved for make the conference again about that because also start to suspect based contact into the ID 6661 for discovery actually from Asia. Context say this about conspiracy since years before 2008 already happened as investigations supernatural through international goes to America. Context say case following since yesterday already being complete for investigations truly goes to America. For about this moment, confusing situations and also about appointment, a refund numbering code people also. Context say 666. Why 666 one got scarf being manipulated and being conspired for international dominations by criminal world. They're actually about Americana. Context say Indonesia country government also similar perspective about that. Through this moment calendar 6 November 2021 6661 got scout definitive capable for made delegations particular on internet global self-anchoring because also already being recognized by international. For next conversation about internet ID 666 on discovery. Uniting existence case supernatural on this millennium. Suspect claim for him in commanding goods from grave action since years 2008. And also about social media friendships. Also saying about international porn connections through countries, about ordinary porn activity also, and criminal following by them. Definitive include about activities supernatural local. Definitive about Americana. Context say this already include for case on years before 2008. Terrorism international being recognized. Definitive by conspirations Americana actually. 6661 got discovery contacting Islam world also in same time delegation or confirmation next need to be delivered. 6661 got discovery experience ordinary telecommunications contact about happening supernatural by confusing activity suspect to Americana. Context say this millennium definitely already achieved for the momentum against criminal world. Context say supernatural activity as their method activity that actually already being repositioned status suspect on international. For Americana, 6661 for discovery as appointment numbering of people on this world already being recognized by Islam and also Asia as mean, religions as mean, being approached for non-include to Americana, and context also from alien family global, national before as watcher or judge, jury about this moment investigation and sharing. Condition is alien family status trust alibi for the momentum investigation and progress international. Rival numbering code people, code supernatural, context saying definitive suspect not just for religions but already include about Americana. But about America and also appointment arrival numbering of people that being manipulated by them. Contact International Islam World for their ability status as committee realization project also include Asia countries and also about Alien Fund International as Supreme Committee steering for the appointment project. Appointment decorations, proclamation existence alien national religions through this millennium. Code numbering code vivo, code national Ethereum Vatican. 6661 code discovery definitive trust conference on internet global about supernatural case following social on and also about friendship internet global, also about ownership and also about peoples and criminal. 6661 for discovery being approached also by Russia or international. Africa Americana also, and also about Africa itself and about Indonesia. Say definitive about antipathy or non-sympathetic to Americana and connections criminal of them. Supernatural activity, reposition status suspect on his blame. Alien family being contact also on this moment conference for about telecommunications contact peoples each countries. Supernatural equipment and tools definitely being conspired by the connection syndicates among social and local. Through also their domiciliary resources basically actually from country Indonesia, ethnic customs local, Batak or called Big Ganjang also, and Javanese, Indonesia, Javanese, Jakarta. Context saying all include as one packet together with confirmation about appointment Islam International for the momentum Sharia, number income of people, Holy Spirit destiny, confusing and or show, particularly by Internet ID 666 Mongol discovery on Internet Global. Alien Fund International definitive conversation that will happen also through this moment progress with Islam world and also appointment next for real meet with Islam countries actually. On international, such also Arabic and Iran also, and also countries on continents Arab and Israel. Context Asia also our interest for this moment antipathy to Americana. Contact about supernatural phenomena as equipment and conspirations confusing ordinary peoples. 6661 for discovery about the conference telecommunications on internet global. Base context say definitive can be trust and can be perfecting for the conversation next among countries on this millennium. About also project reward or money for name in one corner being considered for about them. 6661 for discovery contact since years 2008 and already progressed for the conditions identity suspect being recognized by the moment. Progress very significant for about their syndicate and also domicile address each other. Definitive about conspiration among social about criminal world and also about porn. Context is social media international, internet global, as connection of them or the status as data or files for their identity actually. 666 1 discovery appointment claim referral number for people definitely very famous on Asia countries through also Arab and Iraq Islam International and also America. Definitive about particularly existence case supernatural phenomena suspect the human commanding goods from grave or conspiration supernatural criminal each local. 6661 discovery contact also by delegation or confirmations need to be tolerance Korea say include on this moment investigations and conspirations and through also Myanmar and also Taiwan and another Asia countries on this millennium. But about social media internet on this day also supernatural on connection to internet global Bigo APK contact say peoples or members on the social media definitive or indication also for status is suspect or conspirator international supernatural to Americana context say very non-popular for political interest in each countries and also about their orientations to Americana. 6661 discovery being confirmations about that on this moment also say 6661 discovery can be trusted for the particular and anchoring on internet global struggling for the existence case supernatural and also defending self already and about money also for about that reward for name in one corner context say 22 trillion rupiah still considered by countries and also government Indonesia on this moment because also status named in one corner as part of Indonesia dynasty leader since years of Sukarno. Adi Bana Merdeka context say include as one packet project reward money for name in one corner. 6661 discovery definitive relation historical to religions since century to century or even investigate and show by connections each countries Islam and also Christian and also Asia countries actually say 6661 discovery being support and still considering for about the moment appointment international decoration proclamations alien file on ship safe money logo numbering of people patent by 6661 discovery alien file international still status as trust alibi for about that about appointment for number of people being claimed on internet global 6661 discovery 6661 discovery contact international interest for gains Americana on this moment case supernatural reposition status suspect and also about internet ID 6661 discovery nationality country from Indonesia definitive pribumi from Indonesia and definitive struggling for the existence case supernatural conspiration international human commanding go sungri go religions for about also India or Hindu and also about Buddha context say these conspirations need to be tolerated because also religions interest on this day Alien Fire one reclaim for their status as God to religions and also about code National Ethereum Galactica. Alien Fire one promote for a status as a government or developer for next civilization human through interplanets. Existence multi-living planets to geography planet Mars and also another. Context says 666 Square framing definitive non-fake particular about that and already being confirmations to Alien Farm International SAF on this progress. But also Alien Farming contact on Internet ID 666 Square framing. Alien Farming will claim for their ownership assets on international such as also Internet or code digital money. Internet global and also things about internet. Alien Farming being support for investigation about that by Asia countries and also Islam world. Context says 666 Square framing definitive already being agreed by Alien Farming itself as precondition particular about Alien Farming appointment on this millennium. A reform to 666 in the world already being anchoring for short by Internet ID 666 Square framing. Alien Farm International is next conversation or self-podium speech international for about their interest with code reform number for people actually 666 Islam, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Bodhicitta, 666 Kingdom in the world, 666 Kaisar, 666 Holy Spirit Destiny, 666 Ruang Kondiscount Alien Immortal. Context this moment already shown and want to confirm about protecting the appointment by international through Asia countries and also Islam world for about Rifalian or about fake appointment mark of the beast international state America. Context says still adopting for about status head chairman to Alien Farming Global about names and alien take or another alien farming names on America. Context says this is a conspiracy for domination international and about reposition status suspect in same time. Supernatural international actually case for him in commanding goes from grave but already being confused because this progress definitive goes to criminal world all about the connections also say on identity or status also definitive Americana about America. This millennium is about war to international local countries interest actually because domination reposition suspect and confusing situation progress case supernatural on this day. 666 Square framing Holy Spirit Destiny already being understand for the explanation about struggling the existence in case human commanding goes to grave on millennium. 666 Square framing contact Alien Farm International being received by Asia countries and also Islam. For the appointment about conversations arrival number of people about Sharia Islamia International Coalition for Completing Alien Farming Existence National to Islam. So definitive need to be striving for about that because also this moment Rifalian definitive non-quality. For about Americana for about their conspiration friendships on local each countries to Asia and also Islam. Definitive this is momentum about them. Reform number of people can be particular for international connections Asia about religions and also Americana. 666 Square framing being approached for precondition about that. International actually already case since years before 2008 for about America. Context say this momentum already being matched for Internet ID 666 Square framing and can be shown for next conversation and also preparing committee with Alien Farm International. Alien Farming definitive available for conversation international through Islam and also Asia. That's all for this moment calendar. Thank you very much, and people can search for the updates information and contact confirmation also through countries on international on Google and also Facebook and then also YouTube and another 6661 for discovering very famous through countries because also pioneering the existence case human commanding those in grave phenomena supernatural on this millennium definitely being busted by Internet ID 6661 for discovering which support international countries and also alien family global human commanding goes from grave and next appointment also National Ethereum Galactica. Code precondition to 666 numbering code Bible by patent 6661 discovery. Thank you very much. Declaration proclamation existence alien foreign trace to ownership national money logo numbering code Bible or include for this moment particular conference. The sixth-day God was created human as similar with Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Actually question for suspect on this millennium for their claim about their status actually as authority and also conspiracy international with countries. Thank you very much and perfecting back again say available for the momentum. World War III is available and potential for considerance by Internet ID 6661 for discovery. This contact and also approaching international because also contact from Islam world also or meaning also experience telecommunication absolute but about Asia countries. Thank you very much. Alien International official for 6661 for discovery contact confirmation for status the true 666 in the world.